Are you looking for reliable and affordable moving services in Grand Rapids? We offer premium moving services at competitive rates, with a team of experienced movers you can trust. Finding reputable movers near you who don't overcharge can be challenging, but with 3 Movers, you can rest easy. We offer professional, reliable, and insured services that will make your moving day easier than ever. What sets us apart? We employ professionally trained movers and even partner with local college students, ensuring that your belongings are handled with care, all while keeping costs affordable. 3 Movers is not just a moving company. We are a part of the Grand Rapids community. Our services generate vital tax revenue for the city, making us a company that benefits both your move and the local economy. We are a top-rated moving company in the area, known for our commitment to customer satisfaction, reliability, and transparency. Our team will safely transport office supplies, furniture, and specialized equipment to your new location, minimizing downtime and ensuring that your business continues running smoothly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more moving tips and services from 3 Movers.